You're able to change the labels of fields that already exist in Sugar. So if you like the field, you just want to change the label, you go into that module in Studio, click Labels, make sure you change the frequently used labels to all labels. You can do a simple CTRL F in your browser if you want to find a particular word like account name and change it to client name, and look for all the places where it may be. Now, sometimes it might be correct where it says account name. Like if it was Facebook account name, then leave that one alone. But this will show you in the record view what the uh, account name was called. And also in the list view, it will have list out underneath the label on the left side, the system label. Once you made your changes, click Save and Deploy, then go and verify in that module, in this case, the Cases module, and make sure that it changed it in the record view and it also changed it in the list view. And it did. And that's how you change labels.